Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by examining the band closely so you know what to remove and why. Use a spring bar tool or tiny screwdriver to access pins. This prevents scratches and lost parts. Once done, place the watch face down on a soft cloth and align tools within reach to maintain control. You'll want good light and a magnifier if links or screws are tiny. Make sure to note which side each part came from so reassembly is straightforward and error-free. You now remove links or detach the band from the lugs. Push pins gently in the arrow direction to avoid bending. When taking links out, remove them evenly from both sides so the clasp stays centered. This balances fit and prevents uneven wear. If pins are stuck, tap lightly with a pin pusher on a block, then clean contact points and inspect for damage. Once parts are adjusted, test the fit on your wrist before reassembly to ensure comfort and proper clasp tension. You finish by reinserting pins or screws and confirming spring bars are seated in the lug holes. Press until you hear a click for security. Once reassembled, test the clasp and perform natural wrist movement to catch rubbing or gaps. Adjust by adding or removing a link. If you hear rattles or feel looseness, make sure screws are tight, replace worn pins, or apply a tiny amount of removable thread locker. This prevents failure without permanent bonding. If problems persist, consult a jeweler for precision repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.